I'm Julie from Crafters Companion. This is one of the cards we're going to make from subscription box number 3, which is the die and stamp box. And we've got one of the beautiful papers from the stack of paper in the box, the beautiful butterfly, and some of the beautiful coloured cardstock that we map with. So first of all, we're going to stamp our butterfly. So take them off the stamp sheet, just pull gently, place them onto the middle of the rock block and ink them up with some black ink. And again, just centre them over the paper and rock from heel to toe and off again, and that's the beautiful impression of your butterfly stamp there. And we also need to do the sentiment. So it's just the word butterfly. I've just cut a little piece of card there and chopped the centre out of it to make a banner type flag. And that's it stamped beautifully there as well. Right, so now we're going to cut out our butterfly. So I've got this gorgeous big butterfly die that comes in your pack, and it fits perfectly over the stamped image. So you're just going to put it over top. I need to use a little bit of low tack tape just to keep them in place. So that's the butterfly. And then also, using some of the paper from the pattern paper, we're going to use the outside of the butterfly shape and centre it over the middle of our paper, like so. Hope he doesn't move, and pop these through the Gemini. Take our tape off there. I'll just use my pokey tool and help them out of the die. So that's your beautiful butterfly there. And then we've also now got the central piece cut out, just stick your butterfly over top of. I would also keep that bit, because obviously you can use that and put that on another card. Okay, so now we're going to stick our card together. So you've got your card base there. We're going to do the same. Just ink gently around the edges, just to give some definition to the edge of the card. Again, it doesn't matter whether you go in heavy-handed or just very light, it just adds to the shabby chic look. I'll do the same with the piece that you've cut the butterfly out of the middle of. And again, round the edge of your sentiment. So I'm literally just touching the edge with the ink there. Like so. So next we're going to just apply a little bit of glue onto the back of our mat. stick it down onto the card. And then the beautiful outline of our butterfly goes over top. Like so. So it's coming together really quickly. And then you've got your beautiful butterfly, which we will use some glue gel for, so we can give them a little bit of that dimension. Stick him into the middle. Just give his wings a little tweak, just to make them stand out. Put them over the top so that the purple comes through from the shadow underneath. And then just curl our banner a little bit with your pokey tool or anything you've got to hand. And we'll use a bit of glue gel for that too. That just goes in the corner, like so. And that's another quick, beautiful card made with your kit.